This is my 20th lecture on integral calculus. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss about the area of curve. Previously we discussed how to draw a curve. Now, tracing a curve, we are to find the area, sometimes length, sometimes volume. So, curve tracing is a very important chapter for you. So, without curve tracing, you cannot proceed in area, volume, or length, anything else. So, we will today discuss about the area. So area can be written as summation, integration of y into dx. The y can be calculated from the graph equation and dx, and the limit will be for x, where the curve goes in x-axis, where to where, that is x. So sometimes it can be x into dy also. In that case, you are to put the limit of y, that case. So here we will discuss some examples. Here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We know this is a equation of an ellipse, and a is the major axis and b is the minor axis here. So after tracing the graph, you can see an ellipse on your screen. So here x varies from 0 to a, and writing the value of y, you can write the value of y from the equation of the curve. Here you can see the four areas are equal. So you can find area of any one of them and multiply it by 4 to get the whole area of the ellipse. So here the limit for x is 0 to a and 4 times y into dx. After substituting the value of y, you can also put x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. You can find the area also. After that, after changing the limit, it will become 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta d theta. I have explained sine n theta d theta 0 to pi by 2 in definite integral class. So applying this formula, you can find the value of area. Next, show that the entire area of the curve x to the power 2 by 3 and plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. Again, we can see that here dx, the limit in the x-axis is from 0 to a, and four areas are similar, so we can write it as 4 into 0 to infinity, and after putting x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, you can get the value of, as you can see. Now trace the curve y square is equal to x into x minus 1 the whole square, and find the area of the loop. They have told only to find the area of the loop. Here loop in symmetrical in x-axis. So two loops are found here. So and the limit of x is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 y dx, and putting the value of y and integrating it, we can get the value. Find the whole area of the curve, this one. So using the curve tracing formula, you can get the picture as you can see on your screen. Now 4 into area OAB, because it is on the positive side of x-axis and also the negative side of x-axis. That's why 4 area, and that is y into dx, and after substituting the values as x is equal to a sine theta, we can get the required result. Now next, obtain the area included between the curve this and its asymptote. Here the asymptote, we draw, at first you have to draw the curve. Here the asymptote is at x equal to a. So area of the curve is, it is symmetrical about the x-axis. So 2 times area of the upper half. So y dx, here x varies from 0 to a. So taking the limit of x and y, putting the value of y and then integrating, we get the value. Now again show that the area included between the curve this and its asymptote is this one. So you can plot the curve as you can see. After plotting, then you are to find the whole area of the curve. Here 2 times on the x-axis you can see 2 0 to a y dx. So 2 times, because on the x-axis you get 2 types of the similar curve. So 2 times x y is equal to x into root of a plus x divided by a minus x into dx. Now integrating it, taking the limits, you can find the value, get the result. So today this much only. Thank you.